Hello guys, it's Dimitris here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to show you something that I really love doing, and it's this artwork right here. This is the latest menu that I created for Guaba Beach Bar, and it actually took me forever to complete, around 8 to 9 hours for the menu cover and another 11 hours for the front cover. In this video I'm going to show you a time-lapse video of the process on the menu page, and then I will upload another video to show you the process for the front cover. So if you are interested to see that as well, please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when I upload the new video. So without any further talking, enjoy the video. I knew from the beginning where I was heading. I wanted to create a crazy city built on the trees. I wanted on the city to have neon lights and sort of crazy things like animals and weird looking buildings. So in order to decide where I was heading, I made a draft sketch to help me take these decisions. Then I spent some time on the internet to find free images that can be used for my composite. In order to fit the images to my sketch, I had to cut them first and then use some tools like the puppet tool or the warp tool to place them exactly as I wanted them to be. As you can see, to create my trees, I used several different images of different trees and I blended them together. I used a soft brush to fade the images together, and then I matched the colors and created some new shadows and highlights on top of everything. After that, I cut several parts of some images with buildings, and just like before, I matched the colors and I painted new shadows and highlights. In some cases, I had to manipulate the images first with some clone stamp tool or just paint over it with the regular brush in order to remove any unwanted areas. I hand painted some highlights on top of everything to give the impression that there is a strong light coming from the right side. The perspective tool is also a great tool to use when you want to distort the perspective of your image to match your composition. Then I placed my animals in the scene and I added a few elements to create a visual story. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I did. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you in my next video.